I will sing to the
Good afternoon,
King.
everyone. Rian here from Kingdom Main. Let me say something. I was born in the back streets of Hanover Park, 3D Fillens Walk. I am a child of Hanover Park. Thank God for a mom and a dad who gave me a different type of mindset, different type of culture, not to follow what is happening on the streets. And they gave me principles. But that's not what I want to speak about. I'm just giving you a backdrop from where I'm coming from. I want to speak to our people, people of color, also Khoisan people. The question I want to pose today is, how long do we want to accept the wrong? 100 and odd years, we are still where we are. We are still fighting one another. We are still, whether you put a man of color in a position, we always have the tendency, a governmental position or in power, we always have the tendency to fight one another. It's either um, the leader takes the people's votes and he becomes so powerful that he gets so polluted that he forgets about the people. That's the imbalance in our people of color's culture. Should not be that way. But how long do we want to accept the wrong? By never wanting becoming this one head, this one heart, and this one hands. Becoming this type of people that understands. And even to our leaders as well, people are not there to be the donkey for your agendas or your desires. People are there to push you in power so that you can take them out of poverty into prosperity. The greatest fall for any leader of color is getting into power and being puffed up with pride. The pride of politics, the pride of someone else coming to you, giving you bribes, someone else telling you, I want to take care of you. And then you forget about the people that brought you there. How long do we as people of color never want to become this one head, heart, and hands? Until you and I become one head, one heart, and hands, we will never be a people that will conquer. We will always be misused, we will always be abused, and we will never want to move forward. We will move forward in bits and pieces, but not as a tribe, not as a nation. How long do we want to accept the wrong? To the leaders, I said it before, you are pushed into power, whether it's political power or whatever power, so that you can take the people out of poverty into prosperity holistically, bringing them to unity of one head, one heart, and one hands.
I will
How long do we still want to
sing
stay
to the
here?
King.
100 and odd years has
My
passed. Cape
heart
Flats is
will
here.
bring
We do see what's
a
happening on our streets. I don't have to tell you those things.
thanksgiving.
I'm saying to you,
This is
until
my
we understand and until we
offering
act in the following,
to
becoming one head,
Jesus,
one
my
heart, and one
King.
hands, we will never be a people to conquer
Take
things. I'm not saying conquer
everything,
destroying someone else. I'm saying
take
conquer in the sense of bringing people to the same level.
everything,
Fairness
take
economically, fairness in
everything,
society, fairness
take
in government, fairness in everything.
everything.
And I
I'll
say this again,
sing to the
the
King.
apartheid government
My
was a evil, it was
heart
devilish.
I'll
They
bring
were the
a
pioneers in the way they've
thanksgiving.
constructed our
This
people's
is
minds.
my
My grandfather, his great
offering
grandfather, and
to
his father, they were the
Jesus,
people
my
who constructed us to
King.
become divided as
Take
one head, one heart, and one
everything,
hands.
take
But we accepted this
everything,
system for over
take
100 and odd years. We are here
everything.
now.
My
I'm a third
heart, my
generation,
soul, my
born in
mind, and
1984.
everything
Don't know apartheid.
belongs to you,
Apartheid was busy fading out.
Jesus,
I'm now
my
post apartheid. We're in
King.
another government that is
Jesus,
exactly
my
doing what
King.
the
Take
previous government is doing.
everything,
God gave
take
them an opportunity to
everything.
do things fairly. They do not acknowledge God as the only true king within the government. You know what happens to such governments? They are falling down. But we cannot wait until governments fall down. We need to be, as a people, one head, one heart, one hands in order to conquer. Conquering starts when we become that as a united people. Maybe we will possibly be in power one day. The greatest temptation is when you're pushed up in power, pride is waiting for you. My people, 100 odd years, do we still want to accept the wrong? How long do we want to accept the wrong? The solution to this challenge is we need to become one head, one heart, and one hands in order to conquer. We are citizens of South Africa. We are South Africans according to our ID document. I don't care what codes they've put there. It says Burgerskap van Suid-Afrika. Means we African South. Whether you are my color, whether you're darker or whiter, we are citizens of South Africa. Do not let anyone lie to you. And because you're a citizen of this country, fair chances needs to be given to all of us. But until we, as a people of color, I put it in brackets, Khoisan, come to a place and realize we need to action to become one head, one heart, one hands, we will never be the kings of the castle of Kaapstad. We will be slaves forever. You cannot be a slave of your own castle. We are slaves of our own castle. It's time to return back to become kings of our own Kasteel, Kaapstad. Die Here seën.